This is a quick video to show how I set up the Black Taurus HD300 tent, which I really love using. It's a quick, straightforward setup process. The tent comes in a nice storage bag with the tent, rainfly, awning poles, stakes, and guy lines. First, I find a flat area and use a ground cloth to set the tent upon. Once I unpack the tent, I spread it out and extend the poles and lock the legs in place. I also use 8-inch lag bolts with a drill to secure the 4 legs into the ground. I spread the rainfly over the tent before pushing up the tent from the inside hub. I then install the awning poles and ensure the tent is secure and is in place. There are many reasons why I really love this tent. As you saw, it is a quick setup process. It is one of my favorite tents due to its durability, interior space, and has great weather protection. It has kept me and my gear dry through some heavy storms. I highly recommend this tent for camping.